Hello YouTube, this is Danny and Kyle again today. Kyle is autistic and today Kyle's just showing you some of the things he picked up at the car boot sale. The first thing he picked up from the car boot sale was this very old Furby, and it still works. And a toy Electrolux, as a new C vacuum cleaner.
It works. I've got a double set heavy hose.
And we also got a 3 metre long
heavy hose.
Henry hose, which will.
My dad bought a T-Racer tap then.
This is the thing that we want to show today. This is an Electrolux 502S, and this is as is.
And it says Sherry there.
Right.
See it,
Sherry there. Yeah, this is Electrolux 502S.
I bought it in this thing that works with it.
Right. Well, this one here, we paid a total sum of £1 for this vacuum,
And that,
which I think really is a bit of a bargain.
And that not works.
The only thing that is not working on it, as we have tested it, is this little button here, this little...
And I can't sign the password on it.
This slider here doesn't work. We can twist it, it doesn't do nothing. I know, like, on the later ones, you could regulate the power on them. But there is...
And I can't sign the...
yeah, we've looked in the handle for the capacitor and can't find it, so... And this one as well.
And this is what I popped down. This is what I popped down.
Yeah, in a minute. And this is also what we've done. This here also has the Swebline original plug on it, but as usual, we checked the fuse on it and it's got a 13 in it as usual, which is always the wrong fuse. And today, for a change, just for testing, we have put some shaking vac down because to make the room smell a bit nicer. So we're going to plug this one in now.
I don't want to do it.
And see how well this old one works.
I don't want to do it.
He doesn't want to do this one. So
I don't want to do it.
right.
Don't sell on the Hoovers.
Right.
I can't bother selling it.
Oh. Okay. Carl doesn't want to do it today, but we're going to this one here. You spin this one, and I think it's supposed to power up. It doesn't like it, so we'll leave it. Turn him off. That's pretty smooth, that's not bad. I mean, considering it's come straight out of somebody's loft or something. The brush rose. It's got a little plastic beater bar on it, like they normally have. That's a beater bar, that's carpet. And I don't really know lots about Electroluxes.
Nice.
But
why the pasta on this one?
I don't know.
Oh, nice. New tube. Can you tell me where the pasta on one is?
Right, I've put this one here down. And I've looked at the plate. I'm getting there. Nobody can get in these things. Well, anyway, that there says 2, and it says 43. So I'm pretty sure that this one, and I've double checked. It is working. I've double checked, and this one was out in 1982. So this one has got a 2 on it, and it's got a 43. So I think it was made week 43 in 1982. If that's wrong, but you know, this is what I think it is. But there it is. This one, you know, is a 1982 502S. This bit here doesn't work, but it only cost £1. What are you going to say now?
Basil.
Please subscribe, and if you want to see some more different sorts of vacuums, keep subscribing.
And that's Serby saying, winger.
And we will do a follow-up video of it after I've cleaned it. I'll just show inside the top of it. I mean, it is just dirty.
Oh, this what kind of bag it's got.
It's got a generic
No,
paper bag for it.
no, it's the original paper bag.
Is it?
It's a brand new version of the paper bag.
Right, so there he is. Yeah, we will put another follow-up video of it with some proper Hoover food on the carpet. Just to see if I can get it running any better. Bye.